Good morning, everyone. My winter Fab Fit Fun subscription box came. So I decided to do an unboxing video today. And let's see what we have this month. And it says it's in support of the Kindness Factory. I'll move it over here a second. You always get this little brochure with it. I'm going to have to move it. And this basically, it's just a little magazine, but it tells you everything that you're getting in your box and gives you a little description of it. So let's go with, this is perfect timing. The Mark Graham Personalized Gifts. And this is a color block throw in gray and ivory. Cozy up with this woven throw, which features a striped design and cool French detailing. Value of $49. Perfect timing, because even in Central Florida, it is now cold. This is nice. I like the texture of it. I like the feel of it. And it's going to be warm. So, I also have in here a HelloFresh $60 gift card. 20 off your first 3 deliveries. So, I'll give that to my daughter-in-law. She uses them. Share the love of Fab Fit Fun. Pass this card on to your friend and get $10 off their first box. So, guys, here is the code. Can you see it? It comes quarterly, I believe, 2 or 3 or 4 times a year. I don't even remember now. I think it comes one with each season. So I have Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange. Cool. I like these. And it's Way of Will Elevate essential oil set. And the value of it is $31. I've already paid for the box, more than paid for it. And next I have, made with pure Moroccan argan oil, enriched with keratin, sulfate free, a treatment mask. And let's find the treatment mask on here. Okay, this is Moroccan Gold Series treatment mask. I like the gold. I really do. Split ends, strengthen hair, and make tresses more manageable with a fortifying blend of argan oil and keratin components. $49. Next I have black eye mask. I don't see it on the list. So, this is Fab Mask by the manufacturer Black. A little bit dusty. Really, seriously, covered in dust. Yeah, I'm not seeing it on the list of what I will be getting. So, I guess that's just something that was in there. Thrive Cosmetics Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighter Stick. Valued at $24. The Jade Roller. Acupuncture Jade Stone Roller. It's no wonder this anti-aging beauty tool has been used by empresses for centuries. The Jade Roller helps stimulate energy and promotes a feeling of facial relaxation. $45. Well, I need that. Okay, what's this? There's a lot in this box. Microdermabrasion. I love this stuff. By Dr. Brandt. Age-defying exfoliator. So, where is this? Is there a second page here? No. Okay, this is in here too, but it's... Okay, these eye masks are $29. I'm not seeing him in here, so I can pick up there. Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I just see this. This is $33 value. Ooh. Layla Sado Silver Circle Necklace. Valued at $49. That's pretty cool. Okay, and that is everything that's in this month's box. You do get a card that shows you will get, like I got the argan oil, but you could have gotten the Rare Paul combo set. They just mix it up. On here it's either the tan or the natural ivory. When I got the necklace, I could have got Gold Lust Dry Shampoo or a jewelry portfolio. And I do believe you can go to their website ahead of time and check which one you'd rather have. I just like to be surprised. Now, in this section here, I didn't get any of these three. This is for select members. Only select members get to customize these options in this box. I guess I don't pay enough. But, yeah, it's not a bad price. You get, you know, with the magazine, you get little cooking videos to watch, winter box videos, Fab Fit Fun videos. You know, it drives you to their websites. Because I'm sure they do have people that, you know, they pay to do unboxing. It shows you how you can style this kit if you got it. Your year in self-care. It shows you where the different people are that are their, you know, spokespeople. Tells you about the essential oils. Tells you how you can do room decor with the throws and the essential oils. Here's the portfolio you could have gotten if you'd have gone on the website and checked which ones you wanted. But since I didn't, I got the necklace. I don't need the portfolio, I have two. And this is the makeup I didn't get, so 5 tips, 1 travel pro. Here's about the jade roller. That's right, neat. I'm going to use this. Get the horoscopes. Little puzzle page. Boy, I have a terrible shadow. I don't have my light set right, so I hope you guys saw this. I'm looking to see if they give a, anyway, if you type in fabfitfun.com, it comes up. So, and if you do an unboxing, you know, and you're one of these real hyper type happy little people and real pretty and stand up in front of the camera, you could win something, but, you know, I'm none of those things, so here's my unboxing, guys. Hope you like it. Anyway, yeah, this is the Fab Fit Fun Winter box. You could actually win a trip to the Royalton Luxury Resorts. 4-day, 3-night stay for 2 at the Royalton Luxury Resorts of the Winner's Choice in a Diamond Club Junior Luxury Suite. Airfare for 2, all-inclusive food and drink meal plan, 2 Swedish massages, access to all Royalton Fit classes, and 9 motorized water sports. Airfare is capped at $500 per ticket. Okay, no purchase necessary to enter or win. Sponsored by Fab Fit Fun. All participants must be the age of majority in their state, province, and territory or residence. Okay, and must reside in the United States, the District of Columbia, or Canada. Quebec province residents are not eligible. Sorry, guys. Void where prohibited. 1 prize will be awarded. Odds depend on the number of eligible entries received. Additional terms and conditions and restrictions apply. So, it says you don't have to buy anything. And you could win like big, like really big. Give it a try. Who knows? You may win. But don't forget, you know, you're more than welcome to use my promo code. I won't get anything for it, but you can get $10 off your first box. So that's a value, that's a $200 value for just $39.99. So the box is $49.99 every 3 or 4 months. I think it's 4. I really want to say 4. I forget I have the box, the subscription until it shows up, to be honest with you. And the code is, are you ready? REFZF-LM3GNC. REFZF-LM3GNC. So guys, I'm going to go take some cold medicine and lay down a little bit. I'll see you soon, okay? Thanks for watching. Love you guys. And I really do love Fab Fit Fun. I just feel horrible right now. But yeah, I love this box. You get so much stuff. And, you know, it's over $200 worth of stuff in here every single time. And it's always really something nice. You always get, like, a personal apparel item, which I'm going to be using the heck out of this in Central Florida this week when we're hitting 40s and 30s. Matter of fact, I'm getting ready to wrap it around me right now because I don't feel well. So I'll see you later. Bye, guys.